That's one reason why I like to fill my flats before I put the bead on at least once. Yeah. How that lays down. Up top here, where I didn't do the flats first. See how that goes in? So I'm gonna have to pull this off. Put some kind of fill back there. There it go. This recess dips in. The recess dips in, so this is just gonna follow that dip in. It's gonna try its best to follow that dip in. You have to do something to come back there, see? Here, nice and full there. So it lays down a lot flatter than it does up there. See? That's the difference. That's why I like to fill my flats before I put the bead on. At least let them tack up. See, this is pretty much tack. Put that in maybe an hour or so ago. And it's tacky dry, so the bead will go on it nice and right down and then nice. Yeah. Peace.